The Three-Wheelter by G. Morrison. The three-wheeled car is a queer-looking breed. By die lags as you drive by the street. But the folk as it lags is just using their feet. En warm and dry van neer kaal and wheat. It's a workhorse to me, and it's fine cheap to run. And van driving about, it's a good lot of fun. I tak aan my bed, and my partens an hour. If you load her oor mukkel, it gars her gaan slower. You've to put in some ballast, in the winter you'll fan. And dinna forget, 'cause you'll cope with the wind. Van takken en juk, gaan slow ye abide. 'Cause if you can feast, you'll cope on your side. She's 10 baskets of buckies and boxes of fish, and she always put a big smile on my dish. If you left her sail, the drunks get her grief. She was pick it up and left on her reef. It was never ill to flyp her back roon, fire her up and hear her fine soon. A dicht park and space was easy to do. Just drive her front in and left the back too. Well, my three-wheeled car, it made me feel free, till I bought 4 wheels instead of the 3.